Dear students, dear friends, now only 29 days left for Prelims 2020. So here all of you try to solve maximum number of UPSC standard potential questions, probable questions before your Prelims examination. Welcome to Gallant IAS. This is our IAS IPS in seconds series. Here we will be solving the most potential questions for your Prelims 2020. Now here, from medieval India, Mughal literature, Mughal biographies, Mughal literary works are very important. In fact, very frequently UPSC asked in the previous prelims examinations. And today we will be dealing with Akbarnama. Yes, Akbarnama. This is the biographical account about Akbar. It was a biographical account of Akbar. It was written in 16th century AD by his court historian. His name is, yes, written by his court historian Abul Fasil. Abul Fasil, he was one of the 9 jewels in the court of Akbar. He was the official historian, court historian of Akbar. This was written in 16th century AD. This was written in Persian language. It was written in Persian language and it has 3 volumes. Akbarnama, this biography has 3 volumes. It has 3 volumes. The first volume, which is dealing with, Akbar's ancestors. Akbar's ancestors. The second volume of Akbarnama is dealing with major events during this reign of Akbar. The third volume, which is called Ain-e-Akbari. Yes, this third volume is dealing with Akbar's administration. It is dealing with Akbar's administration, household, army, revenues and geography of his empire. Also it gives details about the traditions and cultures of the people living in India. Also it gives statistical details about the crops, yield, prices, wages and revenues. Okay, so the third part, which is Ain-e-Akbari, which gives us information about the administration of Akbar, household, army, revenues and geography of his empire. Also it gives information about the culture and traditions of the people living in India. Okay, it gives a statistical account about these crops and these prices, wages, revenues, etc. That is third part of Akbarnama, which is called Ain-e-Akbari. Now you are in a position to answer this question. Ain-e-Akbari deals with Akbar's administration, household, army, revenues and geography of his empire. Third part of Akbarnama. Exactly, that is correct statement. That is a correct statement. Then second statement is it deals with Akbar's ancestors. That is wrong. Okay, only the first part of Akbarnama that deals with Akbar's ancestors. So second choice is wrong. Details about the traditions and cultures of people living in India. That is a correct statement. Ain-e-Akbari third part also gives details about traditions and cultures of people living in India. So your answer has to be first and second statements. Okay, first and third statement. Second statement is wrong. So your answer has to be D, which is 1 and 3 only. Okay, first statement, first choice is correct. Third choice is correct. So your answer code has to be D, which is 1 and 3 only. Okay, this is the way you try to solve maximum number of the potential questions, most potential questions, probable questions for your prelims 2020. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.